Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an unboxing of the official Pixel 8 Pro charcoal Google case. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we get inside. Okay, so we have the Pixel 8 Pro official case from Google. Has just the traditional white box with the Google logo, the G on the top, and nothing else, just some writing on the back. It says Team Pixel. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside. Okay, so it looks like there's just a cover here. We'll go ahead and peel that open and take that out of there. Nothing else in the box. So this is the charcoal case for the Pixel 8 Pro. It has kind of a soft touch finish on it. We've got that G logo there embossed on the back. On the side we've got our volume up and down and our power button. So you can see they kind of have a metallic color to them, which is kind of nice. We'll pop it on the phone, see how clicky it is. Cutouts for our cameras here. On the top we've got the speaker, and on the bottom we have the cutouts for our dual speaker and our USB-C charging port. So let's go ahead and pop this on our phone. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and pop this on, nice and easy, fits real good. Definitely feels nice in the hand. It does have that soft touch, which is nice. You can see those buttons there, and now you can see a better look on that camera with the cutout, and we've got our G logo there. Buttons feel pretty clicky. There we go, and double tap, we'll get our camera open. Turn on our flashlight, that turns that off, and volume up and down, real clicky. Hopefully you can hear that, but very tactile. Overall, feels like a pretty good case. I'll be testing this out, see how it is. I'm not sure about the durability on it. These soft touch cases don't seem to provide a whole lot of protection, but there is a small lip. Let's see if I can get this to focus for you here. So there is a small lip that goes around the edge here, and we have a lip all the way around. So it should provide some protection if we put our phone flat down on the table or something like that. But yeah, that's just a quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 8 Pro charcoal case. You can pick these up on the official Google Store website, or I believe they sell these at Best Buy. These are about, I think, $39 or $49, so they are a bit pricey for a case like this. Once again, it does have that really soft touch on the back, which is nice. Be curious to see if there's any fingerprints, if it picks up fingerprints. Also, if it holds up and if anything sticks to it, like any lint. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick one of these up, or what you're using on your Pixel 8 Pro for protection, or if you're just doing without a case. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.